This is video of Master John Collins creating the record. This record has been maintained for more than 10 years. Although it has been broken, this paper airplane is still loved by many people. It does fly very far, reaching an astonishing 69.14 meters. Today, we will use A4 paper to fold this paper airplane. This paper airplane is different from others. If you want it to fly very far, we will tape it in some point. I will show where we will tape it in the video. Okay, let's get started folding this paper airplane. First, we will take a corner and fold the edge to this edge. And then open it up. Take this corner and do the same things. We will fold this edge to the crease we just made. And fold the other side. Next, fold in like this. And you can see here there is a intersection point, and we will fold through the point. Slowly, we will line up the crease with the edge. Here. Next, we will fold along the crease. Okay. Next, make a half fold. Make sure the two wings match well. Next, we will fold the wings. We should press this part tightly and start from about 3 or 4 millimeters from the top point. Slowly drape the wing over the corner, just cover it. Flip it over and for the other side. Okay. And next, to make it fly far, we should use tape to tape somewhere. I will mark where we will tape it. Bye. See you next time.